Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Patreon creator analytics for pricing experiments. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your Patreon account. Navigate to your creator dashboard. On the left sidebar, find and click on Analytics. In the Analytics section, locate the Patron Data option. Click on Patron Data to view your current analytics. Ensure you have the correct patron tiers set up for accurate data comparison. Next, identify the time frame you want to analyze. Select the appropriate date range for your pricing experiment. Review key metrics such as patron count, revenue, and engagement. Next, access the Goals section in your dashboard. Define your pricing experiment goals clearly. With your goals set, proceed to create alternative pricing models. List down new tiers or pricing options you want to test. Now, go back to the Analytics section. Compare metrics from your existing tiers with your new pricing structures. Utilize the data to assess potential patron engagement and revenue impacts. Track the performance of your pricing experiment over a set period. Review the results after the experiment concludes. Analyze which pricing model performed best based on patron feedback and engagement. Make informed decisions on which pricing structure to implement permanently. Finally, document your findings to refine future experiments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.